To start this, you need these materials: a block, your finished CO2 dragster, auto sketch, glue stick, pencil, and scissors. You want to mark right back here on the back end of this where there is a 90-degree angle. This is a 90-degree angle, and when we make this mark, we show that it's square, that it's a 90-degree angle. You also want to mark on your block where there is a 90-degree angle. Match it up basically like that. Then what you're going to do is cut along here until you get it all cut out. You're cutting along the template, you're not cutting along the car. You're cutting along the template, so in the end you're going to have a cutout that's the same shape as the front of this block. And now I've cut this block out, and I have this matches this, and this is cut out, but my name remains. Don't cut your name off, and just fold this up, put it in your shop binder, and because, well, you're going to need this top view in a little while. So fold it up, put it in your shop binder, and you can get it easily. The reason I want to keep your name on there is if you forget to do it or whatever, I can put it in the lost and found. You can go over and find it without going to the computer and printing off a whole nother drawing. So then what you're going to do is you're going to match up your two right angles right there. And okay, we've got those matched, and the reason that I want you to do that is because you can mess this up. You can pull this, I'll just pull it down a little bit. You can glue it like this, and I've had students do that, and this doesn't even look all that bad, but when we flip it over, we see that this all hangs out, your design is not going to be right, and worst of all, this hole is drilled parallel with the bottom of the car. So it's parallel with the bottom of the car. Well, it's not parallel with this, which is, if you did it upside down, it would become well, just messed up. It won't fit in the starting gate well. There are going to be other problems. You may end up cutting into your thing because this doesn't match that. Different stuff. So we definitely want to put it on there correct. Next thing you'll do is butter up. Take a big glue stick and butter up this side that you've marked, and get it nice and purple. Hopefully you're using a good glue stick. The Yoo-hoo glue sticks work the best. I don't happen to have one right now because my distributor stopped carrying them. Then start from the front, put the front on first, and just even up that front, and just ease this back, smooth it out, and even it up as you go. So you can see I'm being very careful to make this nice and smooth all the way back. Smooth it out. Most people will have, seems that a lot of times you have a little bit of an overhang here. That won't mess up your design at all. There's no big deal. You don't want, if your car comes to a point here though, you want it flat. So even flush with the front. So put your overhang in the back. It's not a big deal if you have some overhang there. And you could trim that, you don't have to. You just want to make sure that this is all nice and flat and pushed down along the sides. And now you're on there and it is ready to drill these holes.